Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about personalized blood glucose prediction for type 1 diabetics using evidential deep learning and machine learning. Okay, we have to find blood glucose level for type 1 diabetics patient dataset using deep learning and meta learning. Next, overview of the project, that is abstract. Diabetes type 1 is a chronic disease which is increasing at an alarming rate throughout the world. Studies reveal that the complication associated with diabetes can be reduced by proper management of the disease by continuously monitoring and forecasting the blood glucose level of patients. The prior prediction of blood glucose level is necessary to overcome the lag time for insulin absorption in diabetic type 1 patients. We use continuous glucose monitoring data to predict future blood glucose level using the previous data points. Our proposed model we are implementing deep learning ANN algorithm improves result for blood glucose level prediction. The feature extraction method issued at the modality level and the essential features to improve performance. ANN algorithm give low error value with high prediction result. Root mean square error RMSE is used to performance calculation. Meta learning, learn from the output of the learning algorithm and make a prediction given prediction made by other models. Flow diagram. This is our project flow. First, start, select and load dataset, pre-processing, feature extraction, data splitting, classification, and then prediction. First, start our program. Next, select and load diabetes dataset. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is data cleaning, checking null values. Any null values are there, replace with 0 values, and changing categorical values to numerical value. Feature extraction. Feature extraction is extracting the feature from our data set. We have 10 columns of data, but we want only 5 columns. Using feature extraction algorithm to extract the 5 columns. Next, data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Next, classification. Classification is algorithm implementation. LSTM is existing algorithm, proposed ANN algorithm, that is artificial neural network algorithm. Next, ML is meta learning, learned by other models. ANN give low accuracy value with high prediction result. Next, prediction. Prediction is the given data is low level or high level blood glucose level result. Next, performance analysis. Okay, next, output explanation. This is our diabetic data set. Data set is visible. Next, first selection and loading our data set. Next, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is data cleaning and checking null values. No null values are there, so we have to go in next process, data splitting. This data splitting is X label dataset and Y label dataset. This purpose is setting target value. Next, feature extraction. Feature extraction is extracting the feature from our data set. We have only 5 column data set, so we have to use PCA algorithm. We have to extract only 5 features of our data. Next, data splitting. Data is splitted into training and testing data. Next, algorithm implementation. LSTM, long short term memory. Epoch is like how many times trained and give the result. This is our loss value. Result of LSTM. MAE, MSE, RMSE. MAE mean absolute error, mean squared error, root mean squared error, and proposed artificial neural network algorithm. Approaches like how many times train the process and give result of ANN, MAE, MSE, RMSE, and R squared value. Next, meta-learning. Meta-learning is old algorithm to learn by self. This is a meta-learning. MAE, MSE, RMSE, and then comparison graph, LSTM error value is high, but ANN and ML give low error value. Finally, prediction status. The given data value is blood glucose level high or low.